Let's be real for a moment. Most people already know what they should be doing. They know they should stop scrolling, sleep on time, work on themselves, focus on their goals, but they still don't do it consistently. Why? Because everything depends on mood, on motivation, on "I'll start tomorrow." And that's exactly why nothing changes. So for the next 21 days, follow these 4 habits consistently. And before you even realize it, you'll build a better version of yourself. Habit 1, the 4-hour rule. Most people keep changing directions every few days. And because of that, nothing gets enough time to actually grow. So for the next 21 days, pick one thing and work on it every single day. And if you still haven't figured out what you want to do yet, that's fine. But don't use confusion as an excuse to waste your life scrolling. Use the first few days to research, try different things, and see what genuinely interests you. But by day 3, you should have that one thing you'll spend the next 21 days working on. You discover your path by taking action, not by overthinking. Identify your peak hours, where your energy and focus feel the highest, and use that time for your most important work. If you're serious about changing your life, give it at least 4 hours daily. And if you're a student, give 2 focused hours outside of your studies. Because most people say they want success, but they never spend enough time on anything to actually become good at it. And over time, clarity comes from action. Habit 2, dopamine reset. For the next 21 days, keep your screen time under 1 hour. No mindless scrolling, no binge watching, no porn, because constant stimulation is destroying your focus, discipline, and attention span. Your brain gets so addicted to instant entertainment that normal life starts feeling boring. Work feels boring. Studying feels boring. Even simple tasks feel hard. And that's why most people can't stay consistent anymore. And when you feel the urge to scroll, do something real instead. Go for a walk without music. Read, get out of bed, work on something useful, and learn to be bored sometimes. Because when you stop consuming constantly, your brain starts generating new ideas. Habit 3, daily movement. Your body was not designed to sit all day, but that's exactly what most people do now. Wake up, scroll, work, lay in bed, repeat. And then people wonder why they feel tired all the time, mentally weak, low on energy. When your body becomes inactive, your mind slowly becomes weaker too. So for the next 21 days, move your body every single day for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. I don't care what you choose, running, gym, home workouts. Just stop spending your entire day sitting still. And after some time, you start respecting yourself more, because every workout sends a message to your brain: I'm not giving up on myself. And remember this, missing one day is a mistake. Missing 2 days starts becoming a habit. So if you ever miss a day, get back on track immediately. Habit 4, the night reset. Most people have no structure in their life. They sleep whenever they want, wake up confused, waste hours deciding what to do, then feel guilty at night for doing nothing important. So for the next 21 days before sleeping, take 5 minutes and plan your next day. Write down your most important task, workout, study, work time, what you need to finish. Because when you wake up with a clear plan, your mind wastes less energy. And one more important rule, don't leave important tasks pending before sleep. If something can still be completed in a short amount of time, finish it before you sleep, because unfinished work stays in your mind. It creates stress and unnecessary overthinking. You sleep better when your mind knows the day is complete. And along with that, fix your sleep. Sleep 7 to 8 hours at the same time every night. Staying awake scrolling till 2 or 3 a.m. every night is slowly ruining your mind. Good days usually start the night before. That's it. These habits are simple, but if you follow them consistently for the next 21 days, your life will start changing in ways you can actually feel. Don't just do this to finish a challenge. Do this to prove to yourself that you are the kind of person who keeps their word, because that changes everything. If you're serious about this challenge, comment, starting today. You can also get Relent X Habit Tracker from the description to track your progress properly. Don't let another 21 days pass doing nothing. Subscribe.